Hello everyone! I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this old overlooked radio cassette player into a powerful, versatile TV antenna. You might think it's only good for collecting dust, but I'll show you how to give it a completely new purpose, capable of some truly surprising feats. I'm starting with this old radio cassette player from my stash of forgotten electronics. As you can see, it's quite dirty and hasn't been used in years, but today, we're giving it a new lease on life. My first step is to carefully remove all the screws from the back panel. This allows us to access the internal components for repurposing. I'm taking my time to ensure I don't damage the casing, as some parts of it might be useful later. With the back panel off, you can see all the intricate wiring and circuit boards inside. I'm going to snip some of these connecting wires to fully detach the back piece. Now, it's time for a bit of cleaning. I'm using a brush to gently remove all the accumulated dust and grime from the circuit board and the inside of the casing. I'm carefully unscrewing the main circuit board from the radio's chassis. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. With the circuit board removed, I'm now detaching the speaker and another small component by clipping their wires. The speaker's magnetic assembly is actually going to be the heart of our new antenna. Now that the speaker is removed from the casing, I'm inspecting it. I'm giving the speaker a good clean with a brush to remove any lingering dust or debris. This ensures that when we work with the magnet, it's as pristine as possible. I'm carefully clipping the wires connected to the speaker. They won't be needed for the antenna, so we're just tidying things up. Using a utility knife, I'm carefully prying off the speaker cone and removing the voice coil. This process is delicate because the magnet is quite strong and we want to preserve the speaker frame, which will be our antenna base. Once the internal parts are out, I'm cleaning the remaining metal frame. I'm now removing the magnet from the speaker frame using the utility knife. This strong magnet is going to be crucial for our antenna's performance. Now, I'm taking this small coaxial splitter. This component is typically used to divide a signal, but we'll be using its connection points. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm securing the modified coaxial splitter to the speaker magnet assembly using hot glue. This creates a stable base for our antenna connections, ensuring everything stays firmly in place. Next, I'm preparing a coaxial cable. I carefully strip the outer insulation and the shielding to expose the inner conductor. Then I will attach the F-type connectors to one end, wrapping them securely with red electrical tape for insulation and a tidy finish. At the other end of the coaxial cable, I'm stripping off the outer insulation. I'm carefully peeling back the white inner insulation to reveal the copper wires. These thin copper wires will be coiled to form antenna elements, optimizing them for signal reception. I'm taking a strip of copper wire and wrapping it tightly around a small drill bit to create a uniform coil. This shape is crucial for effective signal reception. I'm repeating the coiling process for a second antenna element. Having two elements will enhance the antenna's ability to pick up a wider range of frequencies. Now, I'm connecting these two coiled antennas to the modified coaxial splitter. I'm attaching them firmly to the two ports, ensuring a good electrical connection for optimal signal transfer. To give our antenna a stable base, I'm attaching a small piece of wood to the bottom of the speaker frame. This prevents it from tipping over. I'm securing the speaker frame to the wooden block with screws. This adds extra stability, making our antenna more secure and durable. Let's prepare the main coaxial cable that will connect to the TV. I'm stripping one end of the cable to expose the central conductor and then attaching an F-type connector, securing it with red electrical tape. I'm stripping the other end of the coaxial cable, exposing the central wire and preparing it for another F-type connector. This step is crucial for making a clean and effective connection to our antenna assembly. Finally, I'm attaching the F connector to the input of the power splitter. That completes the cable connection, ready for assembly. As you can see, without a proper antenna, the TV shows no signal. But watch what happens next. I'm connecting our DIY antenna to the TV's coaxial input. Look at that. The TV is now picking up a clear signal from multiple channels. I can easily flip through different stations, all thanks to our resourceful creation. It's fantastic to see old electronics find new purpose instead of ending up in a landfill. This project really demonstrates that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing results with repurposed materials. Let's try another channel. Perfect. This DIY antenna booster is truly incredible. Just to prove it's not magic, let me unplug the antenna from the back of the TV. See, instantly, no signal appears again. This confirms that our DIY device is indeed responsible for pulling in those channels. Now, let's plug it back in. And just like that, the signal returns, and we have live TV once more. This clearly demonstrates that our homemade antenna is working perfectly. This amazing device truly solves the problem of poor TV reception simply and affordably. Switching channels is smooth, and the quality remains excellent. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.